Welcome to our channel Night Hug Stories. Hello babies. It's time to close your little eyes. Come, let's listen to a gentle night hug story, and sleep peacefully with lots of love. We are going to see the story called 5 Dogs and the Lion. In a small village, 5 stray dogs lived near a bakery. They were not from the same family. They were different in size, color and strength. But they had one rule: they always stayed together. Bruno, the big brown, strong dog. Chintu, the small, playful one. Rocky, the fast runner. Milo, the clever thinker. Bella, the brave little leader. Every morning, they waited near the bakery door. The baker was kind and sometimes gave them leftover bread. One day, a hungry lion saw them. He thought, these dogs are strong together. I cannot attack them like this. I must separate them. The lion went to each dog secretly and whispered lies. To Bruno, he said, Bella thinks she is a better leader than you. To Milo, he said, Rocky says your ideas are useless. Slowly, doubt filled their minds. The dogs began to argue. Bruno barked loudly, Rocky got angry, and even playful Chintu felt sad. They forgot their friendship and stopped trusting each other. Finally, they decided to go their separate ways. As they walked alone, they felt unsafe and lonely. Bella, the brave leader, stopped and thought carefully. She said, this is not right. We were happy together. Someone must have tricked us. Milo realized, yes, the lion must have done this to break us apart. The dogs quickly found each other and said sorry. They promised never to believe rumors again and decided to stay united no matter what. When the lion came to attack again, the 5 dogs stood together. Bruno stood strong, Rocky moved fast, Milo guided them, Bella led bravely, and even little Chintu barked loudly. Seeing their unity, the lion got scared and ran away. Moral of the story is, union is strength. When we stay together, no one can defeat us. Babies, big warm hug. Sleep well, sweet dreams.